Hello engineers, on 26 September 2025, a special seminar was conducted at Government Ramchandra Khaitan Polytechnic College, Jaipur, Rajasthan. The seminar was conducted by Snow Fountain Group, Lucknow, on the topic non-destructive testing. This session was delivered by our esteemed faculty, Mr. Ashish Vajpayee. He explained the modern techniques of NDT, its application and its importance in quality control of concrete and steel structures. Students actively participated in the seminar and gained valuable insights into the role of NDT in today's construction industry. With this initiative, Snow Fountain Groups aims to connect young engineers with the latest technology and prepare them for the future. For further details, you can contact the Snow Fountain Civil Engineering Training Institute or you can contact the Snow Fountain Group. Thank you.